Okay, you're here because you lack confidence. I want you to play this game with me just for 3 days, 1 hour a day. I'm sure you will get addicted to this game. I say 3 activities, then you choose one of them each day and do it. While playing, treat it like a video game, no real life consequences. You might be afraid of doing some of them, but there are some tips for doing them more comfort at the end of this video. Number 1. Go to a store and ask about something for at least 5 minutes. Then buy nothing and get out. If the clerk tries to tempt you to buy something that's so nice, you just say no and get out. Make it clear that you definitely don't want to buy anything. If you say things like "I'll come back later," you failed the game. Say a certain "no thanks." Do it for a few times in different stores and end the game there. Number 2. Write a list of things you're afraid of and rate each item from 1 to 100 based on how afraid you are. For example, asking my roommates to turn the lights off when I wanna sleep, 20 points. Telling my friend how his behavior makes me mad, 30 points. Asking a question in class without raising hand, 50 points. Having a chat with my crush, 80 points. Then start doing them from the least scared activity and reach the last one. Number 3. Go to a store and tell the clerk that you want to have a quick call with the store's phone. You might get declined, but that's not failure. You're getting more and more confident. Okay, now is the time for the tips I've been talking about. Start your sentences with no. Don't hesitate or soften it. I mean, don't say, I think, maybe, okay, but, no. Say no, don't let others convince you. Next one. In this journey, or even in your entire life, when someone mocks you, instead of staring and doing nothing, ask them questions about what they said. And also don't break the eye contact until that person does it. For example, someone says, "Sometimes I wonder how you pass exams while you're this dumb." Reply him, "What do you mean by dumb?" Says, "You're stupid." Reply him, "What have you got that you're not stupid?" And if he continues, you just ask more cold questions and show no happy expressions on your face. This makes them regret what they did. But don't forget the powerful body language and eye contact. Next tip. You might be nervous before doing these activities, so take abdominal breaths for 1 minute, then start. Next tip. While having abdominal breaths, close your eyes and imagine a clear sky. Imagine a cloud carrying all your worries about consequences, and let it move in the sky and pass.